punch people in the street.
Is that okay? Do you mind doing that for me? Here's the thing. I don't talk to anyone. I don't.
This guy was standing there. These two guys came and they attacked him.
Yeah.
You don't even know what flag it is, so why are you so upset? Like, go read a book and come back when you know something, okay? Witnesses who saw these guys attack me.
I have a
Witnesses,
video.
please.
I have a proof.
He has video. Okay.
Yo, how you guys putting the handcuffs on? These guys attacked him.
These guys too. We will.
No, you're making everybody see a bad example for this. You see it. He's putting the handcuff on him and he's holding. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So don't make him look like he's handcuffed.
I'm standing right there. Why is the other guy?
I have a proof.
Whoa.
No, but you understand what you're making.
That guy there. Don't let that guy get away.
I have a proof.
Where's that next guy? That guy.
Yeah, why is he not?
Why is he being arrested?
Yeah.
He's standing right there.
That guy there.
Arrest him. Arrest
They
him.
attacked him.
Yeah, not
We're
him.
not gonna do anything to you. They need to be arrested.
We just got here, okay? I have a whole proof. I'm recording from 0 seconds. This guy did nothing.
I don't
He's the
I don't
one.
give a shit what you like. You don't punch people in the street. You understand that? Yeah, you did. I saw you, bro.
Yeah.
What the fuck is wrong with you? This is this guy's bag. This is your bag, brother.
It is, yeah. Thank you. Hey, my man.
Thank you.
My man. I got another.
And tell me what happened.
Yeah, but do you mind? I got another bag here. Can I do it?
Walk with me?
Yeah, sure. My man, what's your name? Is that okay? Do you mind doing that for me?
Yeah.
Just hold on
I
to my
have the
stuff.
whole video, okay?
And maybe I'll pick up.
Yeah,
my stuff.
I'm with you.
I stood up for my flag. You know what? Just like,
My man, can you remind me your name?
My name is Badr.
Okay. This is my stuff.
Okay.
Sir, why don't you just wait? If you did nothing wrong, there's a car gonna come. Yeah. And nothing will happen, okay? I was just holding the flag. Yeah. Handing out. Oh, where's that other bag? Do you have that?
I didn't take it.
Oh, snap.
This bag?
No, that's not mine. Did you? Did you see the small bag that was on the ground?
It's with the other guy. He has the guy.
So like that guy. I think that guy's drunk or something. He attacked me because I was waving the flag. He started shouting something about Israel. Like here's the thing. I don't talk to anyone. I don't engage with anyone. Only thing, if people say something nice to me, I give them a bracelet from the bag. So if you shut down, you can record. Just take a step back from me, okay?
I am. I'm not touching.
So that has my bracelet in it. Yeah, check it out.
I've been standing here for the last 20 minutes. I watched the whole thing.
Minding his own business.
That's fine. We just saw someone beating someone up.
We got it.
To do what we have
Oh
to do.
no, of course. But honestly, he was just minding his own business with his flag. He didn't bother anyone.
That's fine.
Can I put this down?
Figure it out.
Thank you. I tried to defuse it because I got the idea that the guy was just like drunk and angry at something. I said, "Do you know what flag this is?" And he said, like, Hezbollah. I'm like, okay, I know you don't know what you're talking about. That's fine. I tried to defuse it, but then he just attacked me randomly. What? And the other guy too. So you were the guy walking with the flag, right? That's right. Okay. And
These guys attacked him.
इन लोगों ने अटैक किया उस पे। इसने फ्लैग उठाया था फ़लस्तीन का, ये काफ़ी बड़ा सारा, तो मैं इसकी वीडियो भी बना रहा था लकीली। तो वो दो आदमी हैं, या आई हैव द रिकॉर्डिंग। तो वो लोग जाने वाले थे लेकिन ऊपर से हम चले गए और ये दो लोग आ गए। पुलिस को बोला कि वो जिन्होंने अटैक किया उसको क्यों। सॉरी, या आई हैव रिकॉर्डेड। या श्योर, आई कैन शो।
It's gonna get you off the road, okay?
Yes. Okay, you wanna see?
It's gonna get you off the road.
So did they attack him first?
Yeah, this guy was standing there. These two guys came and they attacked him.
Yeah.
I was luckily just recording this guy. So now he's safe, I think. He's safe. And they're...
Yeah, totally. Just
Okay, very good.
you're gonna be cool. Yeah, no, totally. I always prefer making peace to anything, right? But
Very good. पुलिस ने अभी इसको छोड़ दिया है. ये देखो अभी सुलह होगी. Very good. That's it. Yes.
can I give you something? Can I give you something? I'm from Iran. Oh, you're from Iran. We're all fighting the same fight, right? I don't have one for Iran, but
You don't have ambulance or anything, all right?
I'm okay. I mean, I got hit, but whatever. I mean, I don't feel like there's a concussion or anything, so that's fine.
But if you want,
I mean, I know what it's like to get a concussion. I don't have any symptoms or anything. I'm fine.
are you sure you're okay?
Yeah. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it.
Be careful, man. That's how it is down here.
Yeah. It's okay. People get, amped up with political speech. That's just how it is. For me, like, I'm lucky because I'm a little bit bigger than the average person. So if I get hit, it's not gonna. Okay, thank you. Yeah, it should be okay. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. What's your name, boss? Can I give you a bracelet?
Okay, brother, I've got enough.
Okay. Yeah, you have the earring too.
Thank you.
You keep fighting, I'll keep fighting. We're gonna win.
Of course. Do you need anything?
No, I'm good. I'm also meeting someone here in a bit. I'm good. Thank
Do
you.
you have something to drink or something?
I'll get something when my friend gets here. Yeah, I'm meeting someone.
Let me go get you something from
you know what?
Shoppers.
It makes me feel so good to see so many allies out there. You know what I mean? Like so many people who just come out and help. It makes me have hope for the future.
Don't not see yourself as an ally, though, you know?
Well, we're all fighting the same fight, right? Yeah. Thank you so much.
I'm going to get you something to drink from Shoppers. Do you prefer anything?
That's so nice of you.
What do you want?
Water. Water.
I'll
Thank
be
you so
right
much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm just going to go to Shoppers.
Okay.
You want to wait here or you want to come in?
Okay.
I'm very good. Thank you. Yeah, somebody gave me a
देखिए काफ़ी लोग फिर भी थे इसके सपोर्टर्स.
flower.
Stay strong, my friend. You're doing good.
So much. I'm gonna check out this flag and see how it looks. It's okay. I got 2 other flags here, so it's all good. Now little stop is all good. We all just have to do what we
मैं इधर इवेंट कवर करने आया था और इसका मैंने बड़ा सा फ़लस्तीन का फ्लैग देखा. मैंने इसकी वीडियो बनानी शुरू कर दी और फिर अचानक फ़ाइट स्टार्ट हो गई. ये लोग काफ़ी अच्छे थे. ये गए और यहाँ से इसके लिए जूस लेके आए. थैंक यू सो मच.
It could have been worse, yeah. Actually, I got a lot of guy friends.
मैं तो वीडियो बना रहा था, मैंने वो हेल्प की इसकी. और ये लोग जो थे इन्होंने इसका जो सामान था वो उठाया हुआ था. और फिर मैंने पुलिस को वीडियो दिखाई तो पुलिस ने इसको छोड़ दिया. मैं कोशिश करूँगा वो वाली वीडियो भी मैंने फ़ोन से बनाई थी वो भी मैं इसमें अटैच करूँ. तो ये तो है यंग डंडास स्क्वायर जहाँ पर अभी बारिश हो रही है. मैं एक इवेंट से निकल रहा था तो ये सिचुएशन देखी और लकीली इसको कैप्चर कर दिया. तो मिलते हैं अनदर व्लॉग में एक और न्यू लोकेशन न्यू जगह पर। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखें। टेक केयर, यल्ला बाय।